Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Bramble Fox. I will be working on a layout using the Home for Christmas title perspective from the December box, and I'll also add some of the leftover tiny stars that I still have from the very first package that I got from Bramble Fox. So let's get to it. So you can see I had these elements, these branches and things that I had as part of some decorations from last year. Found them in a box and decided that I wanted to add some texture to my layout. So definitely went for it, and I was really happy with the result. I right now have it in an album, just trying to make sure, yeah, I want texture, but maybe not that much. But I am so happy with the result. So the idea is to have the Home for Christmas title coming out. I'm using a dark background since my title is going to be white. I'm adding also some of the ornament cut files. These are from Hit Kit Club. And the idea will be that all of these ornaments will be hanging from the branch. And that's also why my picture is as a circle. I'm not going to make it look like an ornament, but it just goes really well with the rest of the circles around it. So the first part of this layout is mainly working on the rest of the elements, since we know that our title, our big acrylic piece, is going to be in the center. It's going to be what takes the attention here on this layout. And that's also, you can see that the branches on top, even though they're big and they add a lot of texture, they don't get all of the attention because of our dark background. So again, just adding a few bows here and there. And just a white element using a metal die to get this, and just to add a tiny bit of white also that goes along with the title. Some other elements to add interest to the page, and I'm adding adhesive foam to each one of this. That will just go on top of the big ornaments. Alright, so when we get to the title, you can see, so this is one of the pieces that have the plastic protector on both sides. Now you can, and sometimes I choose to remove at least the top coat or the top piece, the top plastic piece, after my piece is glued to the project. In this case, because the title is so intricate, I decided to remove both pieces at the same time, so I didn't have to, fight against the glue. And here come the stars. You can see that I have only few left. And again, those are from the very first box that I received from them. So I'm adding 3 on the left and just 1 white one on the right side. And now the last thing before adding the journaling would be adding some Nuvo drops that will be simulating a little bit of snow. Not much. And that is it. I tried using a white gel pen. This is a different pen. After my white gel one was not working, I really wanted to just do my journaling in white. Just didn't work. I spent like 10 minutes trying to find a pen that could work. Nothing did. So I came with my gold gel pen, and there it is. This is the layout. You can see all the texture, all the elements that play part on this piece. The title was just perfect. Home for Christmas. That's where we'll be. Kids will be visiting us during this time, and we have plans, and we are definitely gonna have fun, but at home. And here you can see some of the close-up pictures. I absolutely love all the texture that these acrylic pieces add to my projects. Just let me know what you think. Let me know if you got your December box, and show me the projects that you've been working on. Let me also know if you already got your January box. I am waiting for that one to arrive home, and so I can start working on some 2021 projects. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope you are crafting and enjoying the holidays and enjoying this time with the family. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.